Hello everyone, and I hope your papers are going well. And now on into your last paper of IBS. I've been getting a lot of messages from students that, how do we prepare for IBS? Now, truth to be told, there is no one direct or a perfect strategy because this subject is relatively open-ended, and hence I'm going to share a few tips that I think can really help you in your IBS preparation over these 1.5 days. First of all, right now have a good focus on your costing or SP OM related subjects and law, because the other 5 subjects you have done in a fair bit of detail, assuming you have given both groups, in which case the other subjects have been done fairly well, and hence first get costing and law, which are largely ignored, out of the way. Second, once you do that, ensure that you kind of have some time to review the past exam questions, especially the ones in the last 2 or 3 attempts. Ensure that you kind of review the exam questions and the papers if you have not done it earlier, so that you are not kind of facing unpleasant surprise when it comes. So ensure you review the papers. I'm not telling you that you sit and solve, because I mean, you don't possibly have the time for that, but at least ensure that you review the papers. And for the other subjects, try to ensure that you have familiarity of what is where, in the sense that preferably if you have to sit and revise, try to first revise the oldest, like FR. I know it's 10 or 12 days earlier that you prepared for FR, then AFM, then audit, and DT and IDT you have done fairly recently, and hence you'll have a fairly good recollect in terms of that. Now, this is in terms of preparation. Obviously, you will go through the case study booklet, etc. for each of them, and the important revision videos, etc. that you can refer, or your notes that you can refer to just review the important concepts. That should be sufficient. Now, the question what to carry for the exam hall, I mean, you can pack up an entire suitcase, but trust me, when you write the paper, from the feedback that we have received from multiple students, you will not have the time to open and check for each and every sum. Approximately 70% of the paper you write as if there is no book. 10 to 20% of the paper you will kind of refer the book where required, and 10% you will find it to be completely new. Don't expect same repetitive questions. That is, I mean, an open book exam with books in front of you, institute is going to test you a little more. But remember, this is an exam which is not as scary as it is made out to be. There are 40 marks, 30-40 marks of MCQs, no negative marking, all the books are there with you. Just go there, have a good time, write your paper, and I'm sure you are going to do extremely well. Okay, so good luck and prepare well for your IBS, and then we'll watch India-Pakistan together.